on the back of the ute, as you can see it's already on. Chuck their doors on, struts on, and start fitting this thing out. Get some floors in and make it look like it's finished. As you can see, we've got the box on the back of the ute now. Now we're going to put our doors up onto the box with a bit of steel in between them. Put our gas struts all in place, start putting our latches, seals, all that sort of stuff on. So no more talking, let's get to it. Righto, we're inside the canopy at the moment. We've been starting to make our wooden floors. There's a small time lapse of it, but we'll continue on with making the next part, and we'll bring you back to see a bit more of it and probably talk to you a bit more in depth about it. Yeti. Who the fuck gave him a jigsaw? Honestly, who gave him a jigsaw? Cash one.
You know how hard it is to cut away. I have it the right way, you know. Jesus. You don't even know what you're doing. What is going on?
Get the right shape first time.
No, I fucking make a square.
That's K80 prime. Put it on top and hit it with hammer.
What's wrong, Chris? You're doing rework.
Fixing your up.
Why'd you up?
I don't know, because I gave you the jigsaw.
You're on fire tender duties. That's okay. Oh.
See what I was saying then?
Well, if you're looking from this angle, you just see me go 260.
Who buys 50 screws? Seriously.
Lay it in there and then just cut it once in, you know.
Cut either way. Cut out the 1760 by 1600 square, then lay it in here, then it's like... Oh shit, anywhere near you.
Hey Chris, ready?
No, fuck off.
Ready? Nothing?
Good steak. Can't even load a staple gun. How sad is that? Happy with it all sitting? That's pretty good.
Happy, yeah?
Punch it. I do not trust you with that. Hence why I took the air. You put something on that.
Fuck your bum.
She's my shot at me.
It's all your stuff, so you know.
You know my...
Everybody, get ready. We're coming.
And I had some. We've never done this before, bro. You ever painted before? Wow.
That's way better than fucking.
Wow. To give you a tip,
What's that?
you meant to start at the furthest point.
Mentally.
No, you just... This is why we don't have nice things. That's a lot of glue. It's a lot of glue.
Oh, fuck!
Don't squat.
I can't smell it.
Do not...
Glue's snapping in his...
Spiderweb!
Just... Oh, why don't please, Squire?
Hey, what is this fucking slap?
Oh,
Oh fuck!
well, not really. Some staples.
Just the bits where we
Fucking dick.
use the metal.
Should use the fork.
Well, to flatten it out.
Remember the fucking carpet burn on that fucker.
Down.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
He can't staple. Oh, you
That bullshit like that.
What do we got left?
Tons.
Hey.
So that's why it's bubbled up still.
Fresh.
That's why it's like. So as you've seen, we've got the box on the back of the ute now. We've changed locations outside. We've got the legs built. You would have seen us quickly make them. What we've done is just fully welded these on. A bit of 40mm bar fits inside our tubes. Put an extension on. We haven't cleaned them up much yet. We'll get to them. Made it so that we've got enough height to lift it off the back of the ute to unload the suspension completely and give us a bit of clearance. Very simple. They just simply wind off all four corners, and that makes it so we can drive the ute away and use it somewhere else. What we've also got for when it is on the ute is in the same hole. We have the lockdowns, which are the same piece of tube that we used on the legs, and we just put a tag on the side of the ute, slide him in, and the box is secure. Saves us having to do tie down straps or anything stupid like that. One on each corner of the ute. We did them off camera, just got them done, and now it's secure on the ute. They can take it wherever they need to, use it for the time being. We've still got to put the mount on the back for the tyre, but that will have to be another day. And then we'll start building our interior out. They've got some drawers planned to go in there, so a couple of big drawers, slide out drawers, fridge slide, things like that to be fitted up in there. Hopefully we'll do some videos on that and bring us on for the ride. We'll leave this video here, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Well, you guys want to get sexual with it.
Remember the fucking carpet burn on that fucker.
Oh man, you give. Oh, you fucking.
One swipe of your nuts, man, she'd be fucking chafed for life.
So one swipe of your nuts would be like fucking striking a match.
Look out, another gun to come.
No?
Yay.
No?
Yeah.
Go.
Yay.
Action. Okay.
That much.
No, that's the,
All this. And you reverse the car back under.
it's the moment we've been waiting for. We can finally jack it off. Sarah,
Jackie.
are you ready to jack it off? Chris, are you ready to jack it off?
Let's do it.
Let's jack it off. Good.